Hey there. So I want to show you how to make subtasks within any Notion database. And why these are useful, it helps your database tell a better story, your task manager tell a better story, and it just makes it more legible. If you're like me, looking at all these tasks right now, it immediately makes you feel drained. So we want to avoid that, and we can do that with subtasks. And we'll get started by clicking the three dots here to the top right. Then we'll click customize. We'll click add sub items. And you'll see an example here, parent item with two sub items. We'll turn on sub items. And you'll see a small change here to the left. You'll see that arrow drop down. If this parent task now had child items, you would see it populate below, and you could hide them by pulling up the arrow. Um, but it's still all parent tasks now, so let's go ahead and associate some child tasks. So let's see, deploy software security patches. What would be relevant under that? Maybe this one here. Click, drag. There we go. Let's see if we can find another one. Deploy patches. Yep, that sounds relevant. Okay, test patches and staging. You bet. Okay, review available security patches. Wonderful. Now I'm not sorting or doing anything in regards to the date, status, or priority. We're just organizing parent and subtasks. So let's go ahead and close that actually to make it a little cleaner. Now let's focus on this next one. Okay, Q2 marketing strategy presentation. We can go ahead and open that and let's say, all right, this one seems relevant. Gather performance data, you bet. Finalize slides, sure. Yeah, it looks like that's that for that one. So we can close that one up again. And now let's see, we've got conduct new employee orientation. Let's see, prepare orientation materials, schedule sessions, and set up workstation. So how about that? Small change, big impact, subtask, parent task with their associated child tasks. Hope that helps. Cheers.